Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. If you are new to the channel, then just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 26 April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following has developed a new easy to build high pressure ventilator called Vital, tailored specifically to COVID-19 patient? So this is done by NASA. So what is Vital? Vital full form is Ventilator Invention Technology Accessible Locally. So some GK related to NASA. NASA full form is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It was formed on 29 July 1958 and headquarters present in Washington DC. Question number 2. Which of the following countries has named its first Mars exploration mission to be launched later in 2020 as Tianwen-1? So it is by China. So some GK related to China. China capital is Beijing. Chinese yuan is its currency. So for China the currency is yuan, Chinese yuan. For Japan the currency is Japanese yen, and for South Korea the currency is Korean Republic won, WON. Recently some current affairs related to China. The third Asian Youth Games is going to held at Santau, that is in China, in 2021, and 2022 Winter Olympics is going to held at Beijing, that is in China. Question number 3. Which of the following has signed a managed service agreement with US based EdTech company to provide virtual service to education providers? So this is done by NIIT USA. So this is the agreement is for 5 years. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as chairman and MD of Housing and Urban Development Corporation in April 2020? So his name is Shivdas Meena. Question number 5. With which of the following has Vodafone Idea launched Recharge Sathi program, which help individuals and small business to earn additional income? So it is Paytm. Some GK related to Paytm. Paytm headquarters present in Noida, and Vijay Shekhar Sharma is its president and CEO. Question number 6. Which of the following has announced a mechanism to support short-term research projects for evaluating the impact of Ayush intervention and medicine in the polyphylals and clinical and management of COVID-19? For short-term research project, it is done by Ministry of Ayush. So who is the minister? His name is Sripad Naik. Question number 7. The Food and Drug Administration of which of the following countries has approved the first time at home COVID-19 test kit? So it is done by USA. USA capital is Washington DC, its currency is US dollar, and Donald Trump is its president. And recently US has withdrawn the funding to WHO, that is 400 to 500 million dollar, and there is an anti-Asian harassment task force is created at New York, and in New York 2 cats are found positive in COVID-19 test. Question number 8. By which of the following was a virtual workshop on contract management during emergency situation organized in collaboration with AIMA for Project Management Unit of Jhelum Tawi Food Recovery Project? So it is by World Bank. Some GK related to World Bank. World Bank headquarters present in Washington DC. It was formed on July 1941, and David Malpass is president, and Anshulya Kant is MD and CFO. Question number 9. Human trials of vaccine developed by which of the following universities against the novel coronavirus begin in UK April 2020? So it is in Oxford University, and this vaccine is made from a harmless Simpagi virus. Question number 10. Which state has started telemedicine service in 300 health and wellness centers to provide comprehensive primary health service on doorstep of people in rural areas? So it is done in Punjab. So Punjab capital is Chandigarh. Its CM's name is Captain Amrinder Singh and governor is BP Singh Badnore. Question number 11. Coal India Limited will produce how many million tons of coal in financial year 2020-21? So it is 710 million ton. So Coal India Limited headquarters present in Kolkata, West Bengal. It was formed on 1975 and Pramod Agrawal is its chairman and MD. So the announcement of 710 million tons is done by our Coal and Mines Minister. His name is Prahlad Joshi. Question number 12. When is the International Delegates Day observed? So it is observed on 25th April. Question number 13. By which of the following has an e-office application, that is e-Karyalan, been launched for usages to prevent coronavirus infection? So this is done by CISF. CISF stands for Central Industrial Security Forces. It was formed on 10th March 1969. New Delhi is its headquarters and Rajesh Ranjan is its Director General. Question number 14. Basant Das passed away in April 2020. He was related to which of the following fields? So he was a politician of Odisha. Question number 15. Who released the alternative academic calendars at primary and upper primary classes, that is from class 6 to class 8, developed by NCERT under the guidance of the MHRD? So who is the Minister of MHRD? His name is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Question number 16. Which of the following has started a nationwide community outreach campaign to induce adoption of health practices and promoted by government in rural areas to prevent the spread of COVID-19? So this campaign is started by Tata Trust. So what is the name of the campaign? The name of the campaign is 5 Kadam Corona. Question number 17. When is the World Malaria Day observed every year? So it is observed on 25th April every year. Question number 18. On the day, World Book Day, the HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched which campaign on Twitter? So the campaign name is My Book, My Friend. So when is the World Book Day observed? It is observed on 23rd April every year. And same day is observed for World Book Day and Copyright Day. Last question of the day. Which country has decided to strap electronic wristband on people ignoring home quarantine orders? So this is done by South Korea. South Korea capital is Seoul. Korean Republic won is its currency, and recently Moon Jae-in become the winner of the presidential election. So this is the current affairs of 26 April 2020. I will attach this PDF in the description box. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time, and please subscribe the channel and like the video. So be happy, stay at home, be safe. Thank you.